Hi, my name is Amanda, and the Canadian Tire Tested for Life in Canada team sent me the Paderno Stovetop Kettle. I've put this Paderno Stovetop Kettle to the test by using it daily to make my tea. I love having it on my stovetop. It works fantastic, boils my water quickly, and it looks so nice with the matte coloring of the finish. It boils my water quickly, and it has completely replaced the old kettle that I used to have in my kitchen. I've actually gotten rid of it, and now I just use this one solely for making my tea every day. I would definitely recommend the Paderno Stovetop Kettle to friends and family. It's just such a great addition to my kitchen, and I've loved using it.